2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser has not been officially confirmed, but there are discussions about a new model based on the resurgence of interest in retro SUVs. Recent Toyota models, like the Land Cruiser, feature hybrid powertrains, which could suggest a potential hybrid FJ Cruiser with a robust engine, possibly in the range of mid-300 horsepower. Pricing details for new Toyota models typically range widely based on features and market, so anticipated costs can vary. For the latest updates, it's advisable to keep an eye on official Toyota announcements.